Hi people, welcome back to my channel. This is the Extra Step CEO YouTube channel where I talk about business ideas, business tips, and I motivate you to start a business, especially those that have great business ideas but they are just not sure of how to start. On this channel, I motivate you to start anyhow, just start it. In this video, I will continue my series on side hustles you can start now. No matter the level you are in your side hustling business, you can add more to it, or you can even start a new one. So let's go right into the previous video. Take action before you can see results. And I just want you to know that what you need to start some of these side hustling is just a smartphone, a laptop, and a desktop computer sometimes. So you don't need so much tools. It's something you have that you can start with. So today, the first one I would mention is being a virtual assistant. What does virtual assistance mean? You could just stay in your home and help someone write reports, help someone type a memo, just be a PA to someone. Like, you could just be at home and help someone arrange travels. These are things people do every day and they are being paid for. So virtual assistant is something you should consider in 2020. Then another thing you could start in 2020 is being a sales funnel manager. We see so many sales going on online now. There's a sales funnel in place before this sales can go through. So this is something you can easily learn online and you become a master at it. So being a sales funnel manager is something you can explore in 2020. Then the third side also you can try or check out is being a YouTube manager. Yes, I'm sure you'll be like, YouTube manager. Don't worry. When I take over this digital space, when I land and I can say I have arrived, I will employ someone. All this video editing, the only thing I will be doing is the video, and I will leave it for someone to edit the video for me, post it, and know my posting times. Like, you're in charge of my channel, just engage people there. That's the YouTube manager. Do you think all these big people sit down and edit videos? No. So YouTube manager is a thing to get your hands on in 2020. All these content creators need people that can manage their channels. You see some people with more than one channel. You think they do it all by themselves? No, they have someone that manages and responds to their comments. They have someone that responds to their they have someone that knows about their posting time, that engages people for them. So YouTube manager is something to think about. In 2020, video marketing is going to be the bomb. So I'm sure so many people need someone to help them with video editing, anything that has to do with top-notch video that can just put it out there. So it's something you can do. Audiobook narrator. Yeah, people are just so tired of flipping through the pages of books. So most authors now have audio versions that people listen to. So you could be a narrator. Just check online and look for audio narrator job. If you have a good voice, then make use of it. You'll be surprised at what services people need and you can render. But if you do not make yourself available, or if you don't search for it, you won't know. So many people just don't know how to do these things and they need people to help them, and some know how to do it but they just have a lot to undo and they need people to help them with some aspects of this job. So these are things you can do. If you can type, then you can be a virtual assistant. If you can read, you can be an audio narrator. These are things you can do. If you know how to do video editing, if you can navigate your way around how YouTube works, then you can be a YouTube manager. Okay, so these are things you can start right from your own. How can you make yourself searchable on Instagram? So with a little knowledge of Instagram I can tell you that it has helped me. So you put your, when you make use of your hashtags, put your city related hashtags in your posting, and put your location. Put a geo tag, like where you are, your geographical location should be in your posting, so that when people are looking for a virtual assistant in your location and they just go on Instagram, you are available. And use your keywords, make use of keywords that make you searchable. These are keys to starting in 2020. So like I said, if you do not start it, you will not know if it's work or not. But I can tell you from my own point of view, this works. All you need is just search more and be ready to learn. These are vital things that would help you, and ask questions. So thank you so much for watching this video. I promise you there are more coming up on this series, and just stay tuned. If you're watching my video for the first time, why have you not subscribed? Subscribe now and hit the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and all my subscribers, thank you for always coming back, and thank you for the comments, thank you for the emails that you keep sending in. Please subscribe and stay tuned. This is the Extra Step CEO YouTube channel. See you some other time. Bye now.